current tail tidy. Reasons I don't like it is these come loose, these have been thread locked, I don't like them. So it's really far out. I want something that this is sitting way up here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make my own. So, the problem with this is too long. These move too much. This isn't a great fit, and it's just held on by loads of bolts. I'm gonna make my own. So, all I need from this is this light, and I could maybe use this. I'm not sure. If it's aluminium, then I'm not sure because I want to weld it. So. So this is the current setup. There's a bit of plastic that goes here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that off because there's a screw hole here, here and here on the frame which screws into these little things. So I'm going to cut that bit of plastic off, make up a square piece of metal like that, and then just make up something like this to sit just here. Probably have a bit here just for a bit of support on the number plate. And then here I'm going to have two bends, which I'm just going to bend the metal 90 degrees for the indicators. And then there's going to be two holes here for the number plate light. So I suppose I should get measuring. Some paper. Right, I'm going to draw this exact. Right. So that is I'm gonna get a new L plate, this number plate, sorry, this one's a bit beaten up. So I'm gonna drill a hole here for this, a hole here for this, and then I'm gonna add this onto the end of these, and that should give me the length I need, and then mark where I need to make the bend and make the bends. I'm gonna add this piece, the piece that actually screws onto the frame. I'm going to cut that out separately and then weld it to this. So then there's, in theory, the only bolts that are holding anything on is the number plate to the mount. Chester, don't even think about it. So I've put it up on some steel, some cut out paper. This is my cardboard template. This is sit just like something like that. So I'm just going to get it cut out of steel. So I fitted it and then duct taped it, so then when I put it back on I can just dot the holes and drill them. That's the plate all secured. I just got to drill one more hole, which is that hole, and then I need to drill. Oh no, I didn't think about that. I need to drill another hole to feed the wires through. What I've done is I've just glued it just to hold it, just so I can tack it with the welder. So that's it mounted up. Like I say, my welds aren't the prettiest, but once these tabs are bent and I've cleaned it all up, it should look pretty good. What I've just done is I've just put a slot in each of those, so it just bends a bit easier because it's about 2mm thick. So I got the sides bent, and now I need a hole through the top for the wires, and then a hole to actually hold the number plate on. So that's how she looks. I'm just going to quickly throw up a plate on there. So ignoring the fact that the plate is just held on by duct tape, what do you guys think? The L plate bracket's not done yet, but pretty sound for a number plate. So guys, as you can probably tell, it's the day after. I have just had a shower, but I'm just coming to do this outro for the tail tidy. All that's left is to drill the hole for the wires and the indicators. I'm gonna get some new indicators and then the holes for the number plate. I'm gonna wait on the holes for the number plate because I want to get a new one, so then I can find where I want to drill the holes for that. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you later.